Geology on Mars, Lesson 1.3, Investigating a Mystery Object on Mars. Activity 2, Introduction to Argumentation. Here's what your student screen looks like for this part of the lesson. Scientists participate in argumentation to find the best explanation for a question about the natural world. You began to create an argument in the warm-up. We'll continue to participate in scientific argumentation to find the best answer to the question, what geologic process could have formed the channel on Mars? Scientists ask questions and make observations. Then, when they think they have an idea about how something works, they make an argument to support that idea and their thinking. Scientific argumentation is the way that scientists communicate, evaluate, and revise their explanations about the natural world. Today, we will learn more about the practices scientists use when participating in argumentation. How do you use argumentation in your daily lives? You might respond, to convince my parents to let me do something, to convince a friend that I am right about something. Scientists ask questions about the natural world based on their observations, just as Claire did when she observed that the puddle disappeared. There are many different questions a scientist could ask about the natural world. These are just a few examples. Why do things look like the way they do? How do things work? Why do things happen? Scientists gather information about the natural world. To answer their questions, scientists collect information. Scientists may collect information from a computer program, directly from the environment, or from a laboratory. Sometimes, as in the case of studying the channel on Mars, scientists send satellites and other spacecraft to another planet to collect the information they need. Scientists use the information they gather as evidence to help answer their question. This proposed answer is called a claim. A scientific argument begins with a question, has a claim, and includes evidence that supports the claim. A complete and convincing scientific argument needs to have evidence, information about the natural world, to support the claim, as well as a clear explanation of how or why this evidence supports the claim, which is often called reasoning. One way to show a relationship among the claim, evidence, and reasoning in a scientific argument is with a visual representation. These words are in the glossary. We'll now return to the puddle story from the warm-up and use it to consider how scientists engage in argumentation. What do you think happened to the puddle? Share what you think with others if you can. Your responses might talk about the water evaporating or disappearing into the air. The water in the puddle may have evaporated during the day. Scientific argument about the puddle. This is a scientific argument supporting one claim about what happened to the puddle. The claim is supported by evidence, and the writer explains how the evidence supports the claim. Question: what happened to the puddle? Claim: the water in the puddle that Claire observed evaporated. Reasoning and evidence about the puddle: since the highest temperature was 32 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Fahrenheit, we know that it was a warm day. When water gets hot, it can change from liquid to gas. This is called evaporation. I think the water became so warm that it became water vapor or gas, and that's why the puddle was gone in the afternoon. End of activity. Be sure to complete all your student work in Amplify for this activity before moving on.